Another delivery. Them say come at the blue house. This one look blue to me. Look funny. Kind of greenish blue as far as I'm concerned. But them say I'm blue, so I'm present. Give the package to the man. I get for understand. Let me see. I don't feel name the pan it. They say him are the boyfriend, so he might get it.
Me are the husband.
Yeah, the husband. I apologize, sir. Hold on, me do it the way. I apologize, sir. But I understand the husband. So, she not here. Boss handle the thing. But you can't tell about the service. Maybe you don't know, maybe you're just the man that spend the money. You come out with the big fat wallet.
Yeah, we know the service, how everything goes, man. I know the first.
I know the first I did.
No, I know the last.
I know the last. I'm glad that it's not the last. And but why share through the juice? Daddy rich, right, baby? Right, mommy? Look on her. Daddy rich. She said yes, Daddy rich. Anyway, I appreciate, alright? And all the every day there I serve. That is how we do it. Greenhouse, blue house, no matter what color house, we're there to deliver to you. No matter the color house. Thanks much.